Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Vocabulary. Can you get 10 out of 10? The teacher's instructions were so blank that no student had any doubts about the assignment. A. Vague. B. Explicit. C. Confusing. D. Hidden. The correct answer is letter B, explicit. Explicit means clear and detailed, which fits the sentence. Despite the heavy rain, the hikers continued their journey with blank. A. Laziness. B. Tenacity. C. Fear. D. Carelessness. The correct answer is letter B, tenacity. Tenacity means determination and persistence. The politician's speech was full of blank but lacked any real solutions. A. Rhetoric. B. Honesty. C. Action. D. Silence. The correct answer is letter A, rhetoric. Rhetoric refers to persuasive or impressive language that may lack substance. The scientist's theory was considered blank because it challenged widely accepted beliefs. A. Conventional. B. Revolutionary. C. Ordinary. D. Routine. The correct answer is letter B, revolutionary. Revolutionary means radically new or innovative, which fits challenging. The student answered the teacher's question with blank, impressing the whole class. A. Ignorance. B. Confidence. C. Hesitation. D. Doubt. The correct answer is letter B, confidence. Confidence means self-assuredness, fitting the context of impressing others. The CEO's decision was met with blank by the employees who feared job losses. A. Apprehension. B. Excitement. C. Joy. D. Relief. The correct answer is letter A, apprehension. Apprehension means anxiety or fear about the future, which fits the context. The author's writing style is so blank that readers can easily visualize every scene. A. Vivid. B. Dull. C. Confusing. D. Obscure. The correct answer is letter A, vivid. Vivid means producing clear, powerful, and detailed images in the mind. Despite repeated warnings, the driver acted with blank and caused an accident. A. Negligence. B. Attentiveness. C. Caution. D. Prudence. The correct answer is letter A, negligence. Negligence means carelessness, which fits causing an accident. The artist's work is praised for its blank, blending traditional techniques with modern ideas. A. Creativity. B. Monotony. C. Predictability. D. Dullness. The correct answer is letter A, creativity. Creativity means the use of imagination to produce original ideas. The committee reached a blank decision after hours of debate, satisfying all parties involved. A. Unanimous. B. Divided. C. Partial. D. Biased. The correct answer is letter A, unanimous. Unanimous means fully in agreement, which fits satisfying everyone. What is your score?